Hello everyone, I'm here to share our last phonics video. Congratulations, we made it to lesson 10. So this is the last phonics video until we pick up with school in the fall. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we have all of our vowels on here, A, E, I, O, and U. Remember, it's important that we recognize our vowels because they can say two different things, and there's a vowel in every single word you read. Okay, so let's start with our short sounds here. Watch me first. This is the letter A. A says ah. Next one. This is the letter E. E says eh. Next one. This is the letter I. I says I. Next one. This is the letter O. O says ah. Last one. This is the letter U. U says ah. Alright, now you're going to do it with me. One round through, then one time by yourself. Really try to pronounce these with me because remember they can sound a little bit the same sometimes. Alright, first one, get ready. Ah. Next one, get ready. Eh. Next one, get ready. I. Next one, get ready. Ah. Last one, get ready. Alright, I think you guys got it. Let's do it by yourself. First one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Next one, get ready. And last one, get ready. Alright, once again, those are A, E, I, O, and U, and those are their short sounds. Next, we're going over their long sounds, and these ones are a little easier to remember because you're simply saying the name of the letter. These have a long line over it, so we have to say its name. Watch me first. This is the letter A. Long A says A. Next one. This is the letter E. Long E says E. Next one. This is the letter I. Long I says I. Next one. This is the letter O. Long O says O. Last one. This is the letter U. Long U says U. Like we're singing them. Alright, let's sing them together. First one, get ready. A. Next one, get ready. E. Next one, get ready. I. Next one, get ready. O. Last one, get ready. U. Alright, your turn. Let's do them together. First one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Last one, get ready. Nice job with your vowel sounds. Now quickly, let's go through these together. We're going just to say the sounds. Alright, first one, get ready. T. Next one, get ready. F. Next one, get ready. N. Alright, first one, get ready. F. Next one, get ready. Next one, get ready. K. Alright, first one, get ready. Next one, get ready. S. Next one, get ready. D. Alright. Back one. Alright, now we're going to blend all of those sounds that we just did, and we're going to make some words. Alright, just like always, I want you to try to stretch this one out on your own first, then we'll do it together. Alright, get ready. Alright, you should have gotten A. 8. Let's do it together. Get ready. 8. 8. Again, get ready. 8. 8. One more time. Get ready. 8. 8. And by yourself, get ready. Alright, you see why it's so important to recognize that symbol because we heard A at the beginning of that. Alright, let's move on to this one. Go ahead and try to stretch it out. First, get ready. Alright, you should have gotten I, this. Let's do it together. Get ready. This. Again, get ready. This. One more time. Get ready. This. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right, next two words. We're going to try these two on your own first. Get ready. All right, you should have gotten not. Let's do it together. Get ready. Not. Again, get ready. Not. One more time. Get ready. Not. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. Sorry, frog in my throat. All right, let's take a look at this next word, paying attention to this important symbol right here and this sneaky E in the back. Go ahead and try it. All right, you should have gotten name. My name is Miss C. What's your name? All right, let's stretch it out together. Get ready. Name. Again, get ready. Name. One more time, get ready. Name. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right, over to these two words. I think you guys got this. Let's try to stretch it out. All right, you should have gone mad. Let's do it together. Get ready. Mad. Again, get ready. Mad. One more time. Get ready. Mad. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. Straighten out the word mad. All right, taking a look at this, we have TH. Diagraph here. TH comes together to say, get ready to do it on your own. All right, you should have gotten that. Let's do it together. Get ready. That. Again, get ready. That. One more time. Get ready. That. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right, last two words that we're blending. All right, look at our symbols here. Very important. Try to stretch it out. You should have gotten eat. Let's do it together. Get ready. Eat. Do it again. Get ready. Eat. One more time. Get ready. Eat. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. Last word that we're blending. Go ahead and try it. You should have gotten Sam. Like Sam I Am from Green Eggs and Ham. Let's stretch it out together. Get ready. Sam. Again, get ready. Sam. One more time. Get ready. Sam. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. All right. Now we're on to rhyming. This case, we're rhyming with ip. Now that is not a word on its own. It's a nonsense word. So we're going to add a beginning sound to it. All right, so we have this diagraph, C and H, coming together to say ch, like choo-choo. All right, so watch me blend it together. Ch, ip, chip. Let's do that together. Get ready. Ch, ip, chip. Again, get ready. Ch, ip, chip. One more time. Get ready. Ch, ip, chip. Now, if you're following along with the video, you could be using your hand motions, sir. Now, let's watch me for a second. Ch, chip. Again, ch, ip, chip. One more time, ch, ip, chip. So we're not sounding out each individual letter. We're putting our onset with our rhyme. Same things for this one. I separated them. I know typically there's not spaces between letters in a word, but it just helps you show beginning sound, end sound. All right, let's see if we can do these together. Try this one on your own. Beginning sound, end sound. All right, you should have gotten t, ip, tip. Let's do that together. Get ready. T, ip, tip. Again, get ready. T, ip, tip. One more time. Get ready. T, ip, tip. And by yourself, get ready. All right, so far we have chip, tip. Let's see what this word is. Go ahead and try it. All right, you should have gotten sh, ip, ship. Let's do that together. Get ready. Sh, ip, ship. Again, get ready. Sh, ip, ship. One more time. Get ready. Sh, ip, ship. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. So far we have chip, tip, ship. Last one. Go ahead and try to put our onset with our rhyme. Get ready. All right, you should have gone cl, ip, clip. Let's do that together. Get ready. Cl, ip, clip. Again, get ready. Cl, ip, clip. One more time. Get ready. Cl, ip, clip. And by yourself, get ready. All right, let's go over the ones, our rhyming ip family words. We have, from before, chip. We have tip. We have ship. And we have clip. Listen to the end. They all have the same sound. And last but not least, we have our sentence reading. All right, you guys have gotten so good at stretching out words, so I only have a dot under each word, but you still have to sound out the sounds in each individual word. So I'm just going to model how to do that first. So I'm going to start, like I always do, at the first circle here, and I'm going to move across. Sam is mad. See how I did that? I stretched it out still, even without the dots, but I just put a dot for each word, if that makes sense. Let's do it together. All right, so we know that the sentence says Sam is mad. All right, get ready. Sam is mad. Let's do it again. Get ready. Sam is mad. One more time. Get ready. Sam is mad. And by yourself, get ready. Very good. All right, just like always, if you'd like to extend this, you can get a separate sheet of paper and practice writing out this sentence using a capital for Sam at the beginning, spaces between your words, and a period at the end. All right. So I hope these videos were very helpful to you. We will continue these on when we go back to school in the fall. And like always, if you need to go back to any of these videos, they will be here all summer long. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye.